Greetings everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to optimize PowerDirector to use your hardware acceleration. Why hardware acceleration? Because hardware acceleration offloads certain tasks from the CPU to the GPU that can do it more efficiently, resulting in faster processing times. So, how to invoke the optimization task in PowerDirector? Open the Edit menu and select the Preferences option. In the Preferences window, find the hardware acceleration settings. Check the two options. Use OpenCL and hardware decoding. Approve the pop-up window, then click the Optimize button. Turn off any programs that could overload the computer before the optimization process. Do nothing with the computer during the optimization. No window will appear after the optimization is complete. Only one date indicates here when the optimization data was updated. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more and see you in the next time. Bye.